We all experience periods of feeling mentally unwell. In the last couple of videos, we discussed all of the factors that may impact our day-to-day mental health. Now we would like to talk about how to reach out when you're feeling low.
Speaking about our suffering and struggles can be daunting and scary, but allowing ourselves to feel and process our emotions is a huge sense of relief to the body, mind, and spirit, and is a high form of self-care. We've compiled a list of some of the ways you can reach out if you're struggling.
Talk to a trusted friend or a family member. This could be done in multiple forms. You could write a letter, a text message, a phone call, or have a face-to-face conversation. This is sometimes easier said than done, as some unpleasant feelings could come up, such as shame, guilt, or embarrassment. Being vulnerable with loved ones is difficult, but over time, it gets easier. If you're on the listening end of someone speaking about their struggles, do your best to provide a non-judgmental and safe space.
Talk to an elder or a knowledge keeper. Ask what cultural support could aid you in your wellness. We have many ceremonies and traditions that support our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, such as river baths, ocean cleansing, cedar brushing, washing ceremonies, and ceremonial burning. Culture is the background of our mental health, and we are all deserving of this knowledge to support our well-being.
Call a support line. There are many support lines available in BC, and they are very low barrier if you're looking for an unbiased person to talk to, or if you're having troubling thoughts and are unsure of what steps you need to take to keep you safe. A crisis or support line has trained volunteers who can emotionally support you from afar. We have 2 support lines in community with community volunteers, HTC Crisis Line and CAXLA On-Call Weekend Support Line.
Reach out to community support people. This could be a counselor, mental health and frontline provider, hospital staff, peer support, teachers, local crisis response teams, and trusted adults. We have a community resource support guide that will be circulating for you to keep on hand. We have community members who want to support you. We hope that you will utilize the contacts provided when you're in need.
Connect with a counselor. Counselors can help if you are struggling with stress, feeling overwhelmed, having distressing thoughts, loss of self-confidence, conflict, and many other problems. By talking through your concerns, counselors can help you see solutions you didn't know were there. Counseling services are covered through FNHA for Indigenous folks, and we have people who can support you in accessing these services. Finding a counselor is like finding any other service provider. You may need to trial with a few different counselors before you find the right fit. Remember, they are there to best service you and your needs. Research. The internet has a wide variety of resources. If you're struggling with an area under the umbrella of mental health, it may be worth your while to research to better understand your feelings, your experience in your body and heart. Our child and youth mental health liaison, Erin, has a big library of resources that she can provide email or print out as well if you're unsure of where to start.
We built our walls up high to keep us safe, but we want you to know that there are people in our community that want to help. You don't need to do this all on your own. It's a process that takes time, and it comes in waves for a lifetime. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health challenges, there are many different options for support and treatment. Wherever you fall on the spectrum of mental health, you are not alone.